guys! So I've been making some slow progress on this giant workshop building. I'm currently in one of the back rooms. Actually, this room is the culprit of all of the water issues before I fixed them. There used to be a closet housing a 30-plus-year-old HVAC system. Luckily, I was able to ditch the closet and the system, providing a lot more space for storage. So far, the biggest investment I've made on this building is on the HVAC systems. I had a sticker shock moment getting the quotes back for just the budget-friendly units. So I'm really grateful that Trane came on board as a major sponsor and provided top-of-the-line, high-efficiency, variable speed HVAC systems for this building. In the back half, I have a 5-ton multi-zone unit that supplies conditioned air to 2 zones separately. Now I can adjust the temperature in this zone with just the return, a controller, and a damper. And I have all that extra space for storage. But before I build, I have to weatherize. There are some air draft issues I need to address. As you can see from the light showing, the door is not sealed. I'm going to install a threshold and weather stripping around the door to stop air from leaking out. And I've got air leaking up into the 2nd floor, so I need to use some spray foam around the perimeter. Now that I've taken care of these issues, I'm keeping my wonderfully conditioned air inside, and I can move on to building some much needed storage. See you next time.